And when you are in a company, it is very, very important to you identify the lacks and opportunities related to your activities and to your job. And I will give you some examples. The first example was I started in a polypropylene plant. We were doing a revamp design, and usually the chemical process engineer, when we need to add something to the pipe instrumentation diagram, we do head markups. And there are intelligent pipe instrumentation diagram, but depending on the size of your company, you don't have that. And these markups goes to a AutoCAD designer, and he or she will fix that and return to you for comments and for approval. And I identified in my company that the CAD designer was with a lot of work because of the revamping. So instead of waiting for the returning of the drawings, I decided to do AutoCAD training. So I learned how to do the updates of my own pipe instrumentation diagram in AutoCAD, and that was very good because now the company and my boss know that I was able to do that, and my employability increases when I am able to do more things than other people are not able to do. So in this sense, I believe that you should not be really restricted to only your activities. If you identify that there is something around you that you can learn to improve your productivity, I really recommend you to do that. Another thing is related to the process safety. We chemical process engineers are really related our activities related to process safety, and in many companies there is no hazard leader, or there is not a person specialized in hazard identification. Or even though exists, it is a good opportunity to you do some kind of training, get some kind of certification in this area, because in the event of these people is left the company, you can be considered to that, or you can contribute more to the activities.